It's not in bad condition. When I bought it, it was perfectly running fine, no issues, totally reliable. I did have to spend on a new engine. I'm gonna show you guys. My favorite part, 1320 headers, straight piped with a catback exhaust. Sounds beautiful, doesn't sound like no tin can, thank God. Bought this car from a friend, Berto. So far with the lip installed on there, decent lip. Does have a little damage, throw it on there, boom, not too bad. Like it. Here's the damage that I was talking about earlier. It's not all that bad, but besides it's a little lengthy. That's not gonna be a problem. It is a GV style lip. Ordered it online, got it shipped within 2 weeks. Getting new headlights, halo ones later on. Go ahead and find something for that. It's getting a new paint job, not revealing the color yet. There's a dent there, scratch here. Got a few dents here and there. We'll go ahead and fill those in, sand it down, get it ready for the new paint job. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. Fix It Fabian from Fix It Fabian Jr. We're doing an oil change on the Civic finally. It's just been something I've had to do for a while now. I picked up this piece today from AutoZone. Thanks rewards, got it for free. Filter. There she is. Now, you might see why this is a problem, because I don't think these are the same. Not even about the right size. Never mind, looks like that. Happen to be the right fit. Go ahead and fill her up, start her, see how she sounds, see how it feels, and we'll be done.